Hi, Bio16. So I wanted to give you a real quick video here. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. So I posted a study guide for you guys. What I want you guys to do for both the lecture exam and lab exam is spend a lot of time with your lecture notes. All right, so these are the lab notes. The lab notes are going to be basically the key for the lab exam. And I want you to double check these lab notes with the PowerPoints that are posted on the site, on the Canvas site. Anyways, what I would do, since you have a few days for this, is I would take Chapter 5, Osseous Tissue, open up the PowerPoint for the osseous tissue, and double check everything in this lab manual goes along with something in the PowerPoint. If it doesn't, if you see something here that is not in the PowerPoint, guess what you have? Hopefully, you've got this. Go on ahead and look at the pictures. Now, I am going to focus on, in the osseous tissue, that pie-shaped figure that there's a picture of in your book for the actual anatomy, the histology, the lamella. How many different kinds of lamella are there? So please pay attention to what is in the lab manual. For chapters 6 and 7, the axial and the appendicular skeleton. What can I say, guys? You just need to learn all the names. But the good news for you is, again, everything you need to know is in the lab manual notes. If you don't have pictures, look in your book. If you don't want to use your book, you can also go to use the Quizlets that I put on the Canvas site. And finally, for the joints, we're going to be mostly focusing on the knee. I want you to understand the connections, the ligaments, and the tendons in the knee. What type of a bone is the patella, things like that. The shoulder, extra credit, all right? Doesn't mean ignore the shoulder. You need to at least know the bones in the shoulder, the clavicle, the scapula. You do need to know some of the markings, okay? But a lot of the finer detail, extra credit. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I do want to, on Monday, have a period of time where I will be on Zoom. So I will come back and send an announcement for that Zoom session. Happy Valentine's Day. Yay. Hang in there, guys. You've got this. I know you can do this. You have the time to study. I know you guys want to know this stuff, and I know that you guys, are excited to get your A's. If there is a 75% average without the curve on this lecture exam, I will do a Fortnite dance. You guys get to pick which one, all right? But it can't be something that I have to do backflips, all right? We don't have enough room for that. But I'll do a Fortnite dance. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.